Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Honda Accord that generation here from year 2008 to year 2012. If you guys have one of those, you need to find where the AC fuse is located, air conditioner fuses. You have 3 fuses that you need to check. If your air conditioner doesn't work, always check these fuses. We're going to explain where they're located, where you can buy cheap fuses and relays, that way don't waste your money, and why it's important to test fuses and relays. All that will be covered in this video today for your convenience. Make sure to stay until the end. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us, guys. If you have that Honda Accord, that generation from year 2008 to 12, we'll be making video for every fuse, every relay. Why we do that, guys? To save you time and money. Because in the manual, it's not clear what the fuses are for. On those little bitty labels, you have abbreviations that you have no idea what it means. And let's say you're down the road, you need a fuel pump fuse, or you need to find a cigarette lighter fuse because you cannot charge your phone and your navigation doesn't work. Stay with us, guys, and we're going to share videos on that channel for every single fuse and relay. Another thing, every single car, guys, that we get at our garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart. We show you how to fix pretty much anything. The mechanical videos will be on our main YouTube channels right there, guys. Altogether, we have about 1.2 million subscribers. We have helped over 1 million people save thousands of dollars. And let me show you something else, guys. If you need to buy relays, fuses at a really good price, guys, we'll put the link in the description of the video below where you can get them from. That way you don't waste time and money, guys, because some of those could be really expensive. You have those special fuses that are specific Honda fuses that could be really expensive, hard to find, and we'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can find the fuses, relays, that way you don't waste your money. So here now, guys, where is the AC air conditioner fuse on a Honda Accord? We're going to demonstrate on 2010 model right here. You have 3 different fuse boxes, and today, guys, we will be working actually in 2 of them. So the first fuse box is on the inside of your Honda Accord, right here, guys, under the dash, on the driver's side. If you look upside down above the pedals towards the left side, you're going to notice that you have a fuse box layout that looks just like this one here. Before we continue, let's explain why it's important to test fuses and relays. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in, and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below specifically to that video. Please check it out. Here you will need to check, guys, one fuse in that fuse box, and we'll go to a different one. If we zoom in a little bit, you're going to see that you have numbers next to the fuses here. Now the number that we need to find is 16, fuse number 16, 7.5 amp fuse right here. Check that fuse. Then you need to go under the hood on your Honda Accord. This is the engine fuse box here. Open that cover, and that's what you're going to see layout, just like this one. Here, guys, we need to check 2 fuses. One is fuse number 8. We're talking about that fuse right here. That's a 40 amp fuse that you will need to check specifically, guys. And then you will need to find fuse number 20, which is that fuse next to it right here. So need to check this one as well. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.